8th standard students. Hope you guys are doing good and your holidays are going good. So this is your 8th standard term 1 book. Clear? Class 8 term 1 book. So I request the student to remind their parents to pay their fees, if not still paid, and get the books as soon as possible so that you people get the education without any disturbance. Okay, today we are going to see our first topic in class 8 and it is going to be an interesting session. Okay, let's see the class. So measurement is your first unit. So what you are saying, we are seeing that measurement as the first chapter in class 6, class 7 and class 8 also. Okay, so yeah, I'm saying that we are doing a chapter in detail. Okay, in this chapter we are going to categorize physical quantities as fundamental, derived and supplementary. Categorized clocks based on display and working mechanism. Describe an electric current, temperature and luminous intensity. Differentiate between plane algae and solid angle. Plane angle and solid angle. Explain the amount of substance. Describe accuracy in measurement. Explain the estimation and approximation of rounding of decimals of numbers. Okay, so see here, physics is a branch of science where measuring and recording data is at most important. Okay, at most important. So measurement is a branch of physics in science where measuring and recording is very important. What is measuring? Measuring means, what is measuring? You have been studying in class 6 and 7, 8. Okay, you don't know what is measure. Okay, something which is measured in height, weight, length, etc. We give a value for that thing. And not only measuring and recording also is an important. Data is the information available for us. This is the most important thing in physics. So measurement is a method to obtain information regarding physical values. As I said, physical values of variables such as pressure, temperature, mass, length, etc. Physical quantities like temperature, time and speed of vehicle can be measured using thermometer, watch, clock, speedometer respectively. What is this measured using thermometer? Thermometer, what is thermometer? What is thermometer? Thermometer is a thing which measures that our fever degrees. So we say that 108 degrees is the fever. So thermometer. Watch clock is nothing but a clock to measure time, and a speedometer is in a bike. We see the speed. What is the speed of the bike? So these are recorded using physical quantities are recorded using that speedometer, clocks and watch, thermometer, etc. And in 1971, Systeme International Systems of Units with the International Observation SI introduced. So SI unit was introduced in 1971, a uniform system of units to be practiced throughout the world. There are some basic rules follow the expressing a physical quantity of following as a units SI system. Physical quantities are of two types, namely fundamental and derived. Let us briefly replicate them, the rules of SI units and their symbols in activity 1.1 in the further classes. So today we have given I have given an introduction what is measurement, and you have been studying it from 6th standard. So today's your work is we have studied that physics, it's a branch of physics. You have to collect what is data. You have to write what is the meaning of data, what is the meaning of recording, and what is mass, what is pressure, what is temperature, and what are the other things that we can measure. This is your homework. Please read and write and send it through Hi-Fi app. Thank you, students. Bye till I will see you in the next class. Okay, thank you.